Unveiling the strategy, the art of infiltrating ranks. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and engaging. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that often pops up in stories of espionage, strategy, and sometimes in corporate settings: infiltrating ranks. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your conversations. Let's get started. Infiltrating ranks refers to the strategic act of secretly entering or becoming part of a group, organization, or society to gather intelligence or achieve a specific objective, often without being detected. The word infiltrating suggests a careful, stealthy entrance into an area or group, while ranks refers to the members or levels within an organization. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, from military operations, where spies might infiltrate enemy lines, to corporate scenarios, where a company might send an employee to gather insights on a competitor. It's about blending in, gaining trust, and accessing confidential information. To give you a better idea, let's look at some examples. Historically, during World War II, various espionage activities involved infiltrating ranks of the enemy to gain crucial intelligence about plans and fortifications. In a modern corporate context, a business might try to infiltrate the ranks of its competition to gain advanced knowledge of upcoming products or strategies. These examples show how the phrase can be versatile, used not just in tales of intrigue but also in everyday strategic moves in business and technology. Now, let's put our phrase into action. Here are a few sentences to help you understand how to use it. The detective spent months infiltrating the ranks of the local gang to gather evidence for the trial. Our new marketing strategy involves infiltrating the ranks of our target audience to understand their needs better. The journalist went undercover, infiltrating the ranks of the organization to expose corruption. Notice how the phrase adjusts slightly depending on the context but keeps its core meaning of entering a group secretly to achieve a goal. And there you have it, a deep dive into the phrase, infiltrating ranks. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and applications, enriching your English vocabulary and conversation skills. Remember, language learning is an adventure, and each new phrase is a tool in your arsenal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.